This is a medium-sized fountain, tabletop fountain, hand sculpted by Natural Creations, master artist Charles Kern. Medium we choose is a pumice stone from California, Northern California, the High Sierras. All the paths of the water are sculpted in such a way that they're guaranteed not to splash. This is a silk ficus tree, nice and low across the top, with a Rocky Mountain look, gentle cascades. Also comes with an underwater light. All guaranteed not to splash. You can also find us on the web at www.naturalcreations.com.